In this video, I will demonstrate the process of utilizing a sub-theme. Within the sub-theme, you have the ability to modify various elements, including the color style, color palette, font style, font palette, title style, backgrounds, and structure. Let us begin. First, please click on the sub-theme option. First, we will modify the color style. You can select any color style you like. In a monocolor scheme, a single color is applied throughout the template. For a bicolor scheme, 2 colors are used across the entire template. Once you've selected your color style, let's move on to the color palette. Within the color palette, you can select any color combination you prefer. Now let's personalize the font style. When we select Mono Primary Font, only the primary font will be applied throughout the template. In a bi-font scheme, 2 fonts are utilized throughout the entire template. After selecting the font style, we will now modify the font palette. We will now proceed to enhance this template with some decorative elements. Now let's add some backgrounds into this template. You are free to select any background that you prefer. Responsive fonts automatically adjust the font size based on the device, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. Structural modifications will revise or update the margins across the entire layout. After customizing your template, click Apply Changes. Now let's preview our template.